Assalamualaikum. Standard First, Subject English, Unit 6, My Vegetables. Hello my friends. I am a little cook. Who are you? Who are you? I am cabbage. I have a lots of clothes on my body. Who are you? I am potato. I am your favorite one. Who are you? I am tomato. I am red and juicy. Who are you? I am an onion. You will cry if you cut me. Who are you? I am chili. I am hot and spicy. Who are you? I am spinach. I am green and leafy. Who are you? I am a cucumber. I am slim and tall. Who are you? I am a pumpkin. I am